So most of you are used to seeing this is my car, but it's not mine anymore, because it's his. And this is my new car.
Sorry, I was trying to sneak in. I was trying to sneak in out of shot to close the door so you could get a proper shot of it.
Whereas all the problems I had with this car have now been fixed by Door, I now have problems with this one instead. So today, we're going to try and fix them.
Yeah, only little problems.
Yeah, well, so far.
So what we're going to be changing is this one. And for those of you who don't know, that is a brake pedal switch. And as you can see, it's got 4 pins in it. That is because there's sensors inside of here. And if it does go wrong, it means it can interfere with things like your cruise control or your
hill assist.
Yeah, hill assist, automatic braking, like the sort of like emergency braking that it has if something comes in front of things. And I'm not sure why, because the brake light, we've tested it and the brake lights were actually still working, weren't they? But
yeah,
it's just, yeah, for some reason it's not happy about anything else. So we're going to fit this one in, try and clear the codes and see if she goes back to normal function then.
Hopefully.
Here is where the sensor is, which is actually above the accelerator pedal, as you've got clutch, brake, accelerator, just in case you didn't know. So yeah, first thing you've got to do is take out the white connector, and then it's a twist and then pull out, I believe. If I put that there, you should hopefully be able to see what I'm seeing. There we go. You push that one in and pull that one out like that. I believe it's twist anti-clockwise, is it? Or is it clockwise? I never remember on these. Yeah, I'll have a bit of leverage with this one, so hopefully. Yeah, that was all I needed, is that extra little bit.
Oh, that was all it was, and it just come out lovely.
Yeah. Right, so this has to go in like that, and then we twist it anti-clockwise, I believe. And then I knock over the camera for like the 5th time. There we are, just twist that one around the place like that. And then we just literally connect this one back in.
Bacon.
And that's how easy it should be. However,
well
yeah,
should be, yeah.
That's how easy it should be. As you can see, I needed to get these. Only just that I didn't put any pressure on the switch itself, just to hold, just to put this either side, just to give it that extra twist, because I could not do it with my physical strength. You might be able to. Yours might not be as stuck, or you might be stronger than I am. But it's just. But that's all. That's all there is to it. It's just there's one electrical connector, and you turn it. Not even quite 1/4 of a turn, probably 1/8 of a turn clockwise to get it to come out. Put the new one in, and about 1/8 of a turn anti-clockwise to get it to lock in place. Put the switch in. But the one thing I will say is don't mess around with the switch too much when it's outside. You'll see there's 2 little black tabs. Yeah, don't mess around with this too much. I don't know if you can see, they actually look a bit smooshed, which they are. But these little black tabs here sit level with these 2 blue ones when you push it in. And when you twist this into place, that sets this sensor up ready off the pedal. So if it's yeah, so, and I think if you pull it out, it tends to mush them up and you can end up causing damage. But yeah, as this one, when we held it up, the original one, it was sticking like that, whereas the other one was out that far. So obviously when the brake pedal was being pressed, it wasn't coming out any further than that. So obviously that was what was causing the issue, because it still thinks you're not putting your foot on the brake properly. So hopefully this will have cruise control and everything back.
Yay!
There we are, guys. I hope that helped some of you out. If it did, then please let us know by hitting a like and subscribe below this video, and stay tuned for more content, more hints and tips coming on a multitude of different cars. Thank you for your support, and I'll catch you in the next video.